Here we take a bottle and we make a hole on the cap of the bottle, and through that cap we insert a string, and then we make a fan-like thing and insert it through the cap and then pull the string. Here our next item, we make a sofa and a box, and we are folding it. Here we are converting in a specific shape it into a sofa. So that is it. And this is also beautiful. Here we are making a bird. This bird can balance its body on its beak. That is the speciality of this bird. So we are folding it, and thus we have to make it beautiful. And it seems like it is going up against the gravitational force, and it is an amazing creature.